Recursion, 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 recursion. When you invoke a function and the function invokes itself, this can result in an infinite loop, which itself is not useful. It can go forever and ever and ever, which can turn your machine into smoke. But what if you define a stopping point, also known as the base case? This is known as recursion. Suppose a case where you have a number and you wanted to find its factorial. You can use recursion in this case by passing the number as you subtract 1 from it. This also can go forever. Define a stopping point which will be 0 in our case, and the function that you are having will be known as recursive function. The practical use of recursion would be to have a comment box where you can reply to a comment and you can reply to a reply, which can go on, or a file structure in a code editor or a file manager. This was recursion. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.